Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an AWS account, an IAM user with API Gateway and Lambda or HTTP permissions. Once done, configure the AWS CLI with Oz configure so you can deploy faster. Next, decide REST versus HTTP API. Pick HTTP for lower latency and REST for granular features. Create or reuse a role for integrations and choose a stage name policy. Make sure to enable CloudWatch logging now so you capture request traces during early testing. You now configure the API and integrations. Begin by creating the API with a clear name and selecting HTTP or REST protocol. Once created, add resources or routes and attach methods, then wire each method to an integration, Lambda functions, HTTP backends, or AWS services. Configure request and response mapping templates to transform payloads and enable cores if browsers will call the API. Make sure to set throttling limits and pick an authorization method like IAM, JWT auth. You finish by deploying the API to a stage and capturing the invoke URL so clients can call endpoints. Once deployed, test endpoints with curl or postman and run end-to-end flows. Monitor CloudWatch logs and X-ray traces to check for errors, latency, and mapping problems. If responses fail, first verify core's headers, then confirm the IAM execution role has permissions, check integration timeouts, and validate request/response mapping. Make sure to redeploy after changes and rerun tests until green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.